So guys, before you do all that mess to your intake like I did where you would cut the baffle out, be careful because my hands is off the key, car is just cut off by itself. So I'll explain to you guys what's going on and why you should do your intake before, well, you should do all the stuff to your intake, do all the parts before you get the car tuned. Because every change you make to the car, you definitely should get it tuned, whether it's intake, exhaust, whatever it is. But Jay, I have to keep starting it up. And I'm going to pull into the gas station and I'll show you what's going on. So, pull into the gas station now, clutch down, car cuts off completely. So, got my flathead. I had to keep in the car for this particular reason. Alright, so I got it barely idling, where I can get the adjustment. And I'm pretty sure if you're a car guy, you know what I'm doing. But this is just the stuff that don't tell you when you're doing all this stuff to your car. So what you're gonna have to wind up doing, if you get this done after you get a tune, is you're gonna have to come out here and slowly let some more air into the to the throttle. I would have much rather the tuner done this, so you can get the proper air to fuel mixture. But because I got this done, I did the intake after. Well, essentially my intake started leaking. And for you guys that's new to the channel, so since I had to remove the intake anyways, I figured I'll cut out the inside of it. It's kind of windy, but yeah, I gotta get this I gotta adjust this till it hits 1,000 RPM. Alright, so now I got it at a decent idle. But yeah, when you get this stuff done, man, you know, a lot of times they just don't tell you certain things. So I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit more. I should be good right there. The only thing with this is when you come to a complete stop, even though you adjust the idle and the idles properly, when you come to a complete stop, the idle will still dip a little bit, and I'll see if I can catch that in a video and show you guys. But just something to keep in mind. You want to get the car, you want to do this, then get the car tuned, not do this after the car is tuned. Alright, so I'm in third gear now. I'm coming down and I just adjusted the idle with from the throttle body. So I'm getting ready to come to a complete stop, and this is the reason why I would tell you to get it tuned prior to get the intake stuff done prior. So you see that it is still dropped down more than I would like, even though I know it's not going to cut off now because I adjusted the screw, but it still drops down a little bit, then it comes back up to 1,000 RPM. Well, this sits just below 1,000, but it's just something to keep in mind that it'll probably be a good idea to do all the stuff, then get it tuned. Hey, one love, stay up, stay blessed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.